Hello everyone and welcome back to Glory's house. Now I'm going to show you our clearance items for today. Here we have some sequin beaded green appliques, butterflies. These are sew on or glue on. They are about 2.5 inches. I do not have these on the website yet. What I'm going to do is make a Facebook lot, and if you're interested, this is going to be Facebook lot number 1. You'll purchase it on the website. And we've got 12. So I'm going to sell all of these for $5. Facebook lot number 1 is what you will be looking to purchase on the website. It's not posted yet though, so leave a message in the comments if you want it, and I will put it up and I'll put reserved and your name beside of it. Okay, so that's the first one. Now here we have an embroidered applique. It's a light blue and it's flowers. This will be Facebook lot number 2. This is not iron on, it's sew on. This one is going to be $3. Facebook lot number 2. I'm just marking these down. I don't have, the pictures yet, and I may not have the exact picture on the website, but I'll have the lot number, and this is lot number 2. I may link it back to this Facebook video. Okay, now here we've got some pairs of real cute little crystal AB flowers with the little crystal AB beads, and they have little pearls and a little rhinestone in the center. These are sew on or glue on. They are pairs. I'm going to sell these for $1 a pair. You can't beat that price. I just want to get these gone. These, here's the back of them. They do not have the iron-on backing. Now they do have rhinestones in the center. These rhinestones are not real glass, I don't think. And the prongs are starting to get a little bit dark, so that's one reason I want to clearance these out too, because I don't like to sell anything that doesn't look perfect. But for $1 a pair, it's well worth it for a pair of these. You can cut them to use them as individual flowers or leaves. Okay, $1 a pair. This will be Facebook lot number 3. Now, this will be number 4. This is a big applique. It's in 2 pieces. It is embroidered. It's pink, fuchsia, a little bit of white, and brown and green. I think on the price, this one is $5. Now this you could put like on a dress, the front of a dress. Really, you could put it anywhere, on curtains, on bedding. But I see these on on a dress. Like one part would be on one side, maybe at the top, and the other on the other side, maybe down towards the bottom. But they're really pretty once you get them on. Okay, so that's pretty big. I don't know big, but I'm trying to get it all in the picture so you can see the shape. Okay. We'll call this Facebook lot number 4, and it's $5. The next one is $6, Facebook lot number 5. Now this one is bigger. So this is one piece of it. My light is shining. I'm sorry about that. It's a pendant light. Okay. There's one piece of it. You can see how it comes over. This is really big. So for $6, it's a really good price. This one seems to be a little thicker made than the other one. It's really sturdy. That's the back side. And then you've got this piece that goes with it. So you're getting both pieces for that price. Facebook lot number 5 for $6. Now, let me see if I can get the whole thing in the picture. Might be hard. That's pretty though. And you could cut these and spread them out in a project on something. Okay, now that is a few items I wanted to show you. Now I've got my rhinestone. Back to rhinestones. This item is N10 and it's regularly, this one is crystal and silver. It's regularly $19.99. It's on sale for $4.99. This one is regularly $21.99, on sale for $6.99. This one is gold medal with crystal AB beads. They're not clear stones. Stones. There's no beads on these. These are the embellishments with no beading. They're metal and stones. See how pretty that crystal AB looks with the gold. The AB's a little higher, so priced. That's the back of it. This is embellishment. You can sew this on or probably glue it onto something. I probably wouldn't try gluing it to clothes. I don't know. Something else would probably be okay. This one is crystal with silver backing. This is a very pretty style. It would go good on your bridal sashes. Okay, so that's N10. It will be on my front page of my website. As soon as I get off of here. Well, it will be. I'll go fix it. And then you can also find the rhinestone in the rhinestone clearance category and on the Facebook sale page. I'll put all these on the Facebook sale page. Now I have one more item I want to show you, and it is a trim. Now this trim comes in glass stones. The big stones is what I'm talking about. All the small stones are glass. Comes in glass and it comes in acrylic. Now, I can't tell the difference really just looking at them. The glass is a little bit heavier made because the glass weighs more than acrylic. is why. Not a whole lot, but that's how one way I can tell the difference in them. Now, this is a trim that is easily cut. It's also the embellishment with the metal back. You can easily cut this one per applique also. So, item number, let me give you the price. The price is $7.99 a yard on the acrylic. That's a great buy. It's regularly $29.99. And then on the glass, it's regularly $39.99. And it is $12.99 a yard. I'm gonna get a close up on this. You see, these are really good quality acrylic stones. I won't hardly sell anything like, if I'm not satisfied with it, I'm not going to sell it. This had a good quality crystal stone, but I did buy it in glass, and I'm going to show you one piece that I've got that is glass to see if you can tell any difference. This little one that's cut. We're selling these cut on our website also. And it's 99 cents for the acrylic one cut, the applique. The glass one, I'm not quite sure what the price is on that one. It'd probably be $1.99. Okay, but they will be cut in appliques for sale also. Now, if you all can tell the difference, that one there is glass stone in the mid. Well, all glass stones. And just the large stone is acrylic. The glass one, it looks exactly like the acrylic. So, $7.99 for the acrylic per yard and $12.99 for the glass per yard. This is on the website now for sale. Don't have much of it, so if you're interested, you want to go buy it now. Okay, that's all I'm going to show you tonight on clearance items. Thank you all for purchasing from us, and we really appreciate you. God bless you as always. Have a good evening, and hopefully I'll see you at Glory's house. Bye-bye.